Today we're gonna launch our school rocket. You need to prep your Balsa machining school rocket. First, you need your motor, preferably at A8-3, which has a motor with 8 nanoseconds and 3 delay. With your motor wadding, which looks like this. It looks like tissue paper, but this is flame resistant tissue paper that you basically put down your rocket that helps your rocket basically eject. And you can see these things floating in the air and also protects your streamer. Very important. First, remove your nose cone from your rocket. Now take your recovery wadding and rip it up to small pieces. Now take those small pieces and sort of ball them up and then stuff them down your rocket. Now take your streamer and start to roll it up to put it back in your rocket. After finishing rolling it up, put it into your rocket. Now slowly push in the rest of your string into your rocket and then put a nose cone to cap it off. Now after you stuff your string in, you want to put your motor. Take your motor retainer, pull it out, push your motor in. Just want to slide it in. Now you lock it. Now you take your igniter. Just want to grab one igniter and a launch cap, and you put your lighter in here with your cap. And you just want to take your cap, push it in. Make sure your lighter's all the way in, and you push it in. And now your rocket is ready to launch. Now we are ready to launch. Please remember to check in at your Rocketry Club's check-in. Fill out your launch card. Now that I finished filling out my flight card, I'm gonna go to our launch observer and give them my flight card. Now we are ready to launch. After you register, now we can put our rocket on the launch pad.
Oh, Rail, you got it, Dave. Never mind, you got it. You got it.
Now we want to take our alligator clips here and clip them onto our igniter. Now we're all connected, and now we need to check for continuity, and it's good. And now we're done and ready to launch.
Number 3.
On an A83, pad number 1, flying in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
After my rocket's successful launch, now I'm going to get my rocket. Make sure you stay clear of the pad so you don't get hit by a rocket. And don't try to catch your rocket because that's not safe. Now we're at our rocket. It launched perfectly. Everything's good. Yes. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this.